We are covering the critical steps of arterial blood gas or ABG collection for your phlebotomy exam. This procedure is performed to assess a patient's respiratory status and acid-base balance, making precision essential. The exam will test you heavily on the pre-analytical steps, as this is where most errors occur. Before you even think about the puncture, you must perform the modified Allen test, especially for a radial artery draw. The test confirms collateral circulation from the ulnar artery, ensuring blood will still flow to the hand if the radial artery is compromised. On the exam, you'll see questions asking you to interpret the results. A positive Allen test, where color returns to the palm in about 5 to 7 seconds after releasing pressure on the ulnar artery, means it is safe to proceed. A common exam trap is confusing a positive result, which is good, with a negative result, which is a contraindication for the procedure. Once you have a positive Allen test, you'll use a pre-heparinized syringe. The exam expects you to know that heparin is the required anticoagulant to prevent the sample from clotting. For the radial artery, the needle is inserted at a 45-degree angle against the pulse. Be prepared for questions that provide different angles as distractors. Remember that brachial or femoral punctures require steeper angles. After the arterial blood automatically fills the syringe, post-collection handling is crucial and a major focus of exam questions. First, you must immediately expel any air bubbles. Air bubbles will contaminate the sample, leading to a falsely high oxygen level and a falsely low carbon dioxide level, rendering the test inaccurate. After removing air, the syringe is capped, and the sample must be mixed gently by rolling it between your hands to ensure the heparin is distributed. Never shake the sample, as this can cause hemolysis and alter results. The sample must then be placed in an ice slurry for transport and analyzed within 30 minutes. The ice slows down cellular metabolism, which could otherwise change the gas concentrations. The exam will test your knowledge of this specific time frame and transport method. A helpful mnemonic to remember the key steps is Allen's gas. A for Allen test first, L for locate the pulse, L for look for a 45-degree angle, E for enter the artery, N for no air bubbles, S for slurry of ice, G for gentle mixing, A for analyze quickly, S for secure the site with pressure. While the radial artery is the primary choice, the brachial artery is a common alternative, which may appear in scenario-based questions. For free practice questions, AI-powered explanations, and more exam prep tools, visit openexamprep.com. That's openexamprep, all one word, .com.